Welcome back to Miss Fizz channel. Kindly like and subscribe. Wow, look, if there's one thing that we cannot take away from Ubaba Mseleku is the fact that we are bathanda abantwana abancane and we are bathanda but really speaking, it's like he really do capitalizes on women that are not doing well more than how he is doing. Because angikhumbuli sizwa ukuthi uMacele, what did he do, and angikhumbuli siva ukuthi uMayeni what did she do. But we know she's working for the municipality. Umakhe yakhe is even worse because we know what happened, how she came, how long, Yes, we know because we are part of that family now for 9 years. So then it's Umangwabe. Umangwabe, we've seen Umangwabe studying in front of us, and becoming a nurse, and so, and now Umakwela to be told ukuthi Kelly gumsebenzi and avume. That's one thing about being young. Now I'm talking for a place whereby I was married at the age of 20. So I know how it feels. That time you feel like you are matured enough, you feel like you are making the right decisions, but at the end of the day, you still need someone to guide you, because especially if you're getting married to someone who's matured, like Ubaba Mseleku. That's why now and again he would remind ukuthi phela ukhumbula ukuthi nginabafazi, ukhumbula ukuthi nginabafazi. Like, yes, I'm questioning and I can never agree to his tempo, and I think I'm blessed enough to survive with or without a man. So often his tempo ayakaqhubeka ye phambili. That's me, but now we are inside this tempo. I don't think ukuthi I would have liked to be reminded every day ukuthi ay phela khumbula mina nginabafazi, ay mina nginabafazi. Whoa, God, now it's me and you. What is this? When I'm even asking about Umembeso, wait, you're telling me Gambiobuza umamkhulu for what? Ungenaphi? Ugok flow light la kwenzakalani. So I feel like Umakwela, if you get to see this or you get to hear this, baby girl, hamba msebenzini, hamba sebenza, go back to school, develop yourself. Look at Umakhumalo now. Yes, she came in very young, but she managed to build herself out. And that's why she said, hi Tina, I'm paraphrasing what Ubaba Mseleku ebefuna ukuthi ngikhule physically, hayi ngokomqondo. Now that she's powerful, and he even said it himself ukuthi uMakhumalo is one of the richest women in South Africa. Kuyamudla because he's not used to that. He's a typically man that feels like I must be, So, but the times have changed. Women are now making it in bigger spaces. Big ups to Makhumalo, And for you, Makwela, go back to school, baby girl. Go back to school. Yeah, thank you. Otherwise, please, guys, like and subscribe. Let's continue engaging in the comment section. Nyabong.